Oh, this is tea. I may be a quick weave girl.
She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
I was so excited when our package from CurlsQueen came because that means new bundles. So it is a Yaki texture. It's not super silky. It has some of that texture on there. I've never done a quick weave on myself. Got my supplies lined up. We got our hair glue and some hair wrap. I was debating between different quick weave methods. This is the one where you put the liquid on your hair. We're not gonna do that. My quick weave method is going to be putting the head wraps under my wig cap so that when I'm using the glue, it doesn't touch my actual head. You will need some needle and thread so that you can thread the perimeter of your wig cap to make sure that that is on. So she is actually ready. I did leave some of the edges out. Let edges out and this out so that we can do a middle. Once I glue her down. Okay. Lord. Once we have this, we're now going to sew the perimeter down so that then we can cut it all out. And so I'm just gonna feel for that anchor braid. Let's cut the cap off first. Boom. Okay, now here. Just make sure you don't cut your natural hair channel. We have our base down so we can glue. Kept our middle part out, kept some edges out. Going to twist this back up. Time for the bundles to go in. All right, let's do our first row. Glue down. Bring it on. Glue on, let it sit. All right guys, and this right here is one full bundle in my head already. As you can see, the back is full. So we got the back going. Let's pop this second bundle open and finish turning it into a baddie. Okay, we're almost there. Beginner friendly, okay? Last track going in. I'm gonna start from this side. Okay, woo! It's done. We did it and it's done and we did it and it's done. You guys, I have not even flat ironed my leave out yet, and I think the texture is a good match. I think 2 bundles was perfect. I just passed the flat iron through it a few times to blend my natural hair up here with my extensions. I'm not even gonna act like I know how to do the greatest layers. I tried to do some face front. You see, look, it's about time. I'm not.
We still going strong, or you're stringing me along, then
Okay, so far we got some layers up in the front. So if I did do a little curl or whatever, that would be cool. Cut into it a little bit more. Alright guys, 1 week hair install update. I have been rocking this hair for an entire week and I just gave her a fresh wash and blow dry. I absolutely love her. So this is literally just blow dried out the shower. I do want to pop some curls in to see how the curls hold. And then I just also want to show you like my natural hair and then where the extension is. So here's my quick weave. This is my natural hair. This is how well it blends. So let's finally put some curls in. I am using the Hot Tools 1.5 inch barrel. I'm gonna take it, wrap it around, take our piece, clip, clip. Twirl, clip, clip. Twirl again, clip, clip, clip. Clip, clip, clip. Twirl, twirl. Clip, 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 clip. So we get all the hair in the clip. Boom. Who knew you was getting a little curling tutorial? Take it down, down. Don't let the curl come apart because we are putting pins in it. I'm gonna make sure that I'm curling the front pieces backwards. No hairspray in sight, but that's why we had the pin curl. So let's see how the curls come out. I haven't worn my hair like curl like this in forever. Side one. Ooh. The blend is good. Let's give it a little fluffing out. Okay, hold on. Oh, this is tea. This is tea. Oh, I love the curls. Okay, let me redo these two front pieces. But other than that, okay, that's why I said it was important for us to go backwards. The curls, the curls. Ooh. Now I'm gonna have to take myself somewhere to show off my hair. I absolutely love this hair straight and curl. Let me know in the comment section, which one was it for you? Was it the straight or was it the curl? I need to know. I'm gonna have the link to these exact bundles from CurlsQueen in my description box on this video. Would you rock this style and would you do a quick weave on yourself at home? Girl, I actually thought that it was pretty quick and easy. Like if I would have known doing a quick weave was this easy, I probably would have done it sooner. But you know, we tell ourselves, oh, I can't do that. No, yes, you can, girl. Yes, you can. I watched a little tutorial. I am so feeling it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this hair install and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.
Oh, let's go.